Patreon redesigned, a new brand identity built for and with creators. Patreon created a fluid motion-first brand for a digital-first world. The brand is built to adapt, so that any creator can make it their own. The new logo does not have an exact canonical form. It is just defined by abstracted letter P in 3D. It is an object in constant motion that represents the energy of creativity and the ever-evolving nature of culture and art. A basic modern font with classic geometry has been used, featuring a full range of variables. A palette of gradients instead of a single brand color was developed to blend with diverse creators' worlds, both IRL and RGB. Patreon is also planning to create unique creators' photo shoots with the help of photographers whose style is best equipped to bring that creator's unique creative spirit to life. This idea is also about heroizing creators in a way that feels inviting and warm. The result: Patreon created a new identity to empower creators with work, business, and community ownership. The dynamic brand reflects this commitment, enabling creators to personalize the brand. An insurance group, Howden, revealed a new brand identity. Howden made a rebranding to create a unified brand for corporate and retail consumer segments. The logo represents one of the core brand values, collective power. A unified emblem is referring to a network of experts. The logo is based on the concept of insurance, which is necessary, constant, but invisible. The logo might be represented as a clear lens that is placed over pertinent regions to represent their protection. GT Ultra typography combines classical serif with dynamic modern sans that reflects the business's spirit. Utilized warm, human color palette, an adopted system of complementary, neighboring, and unexpected pairings, and helps to stand out from competitors. Bespoke illustrations enhance the brand identity, featuring scenes for health, travel, and home insurance. The result? Howden has rebranded to better reflect its 30 years of history, highlight its distinctiveness, and differentiate itself from competitors. The coffee house Always Latte has undergone a rebranding. Always Latte creates captivating branding that guides visitors through a crafted monochrome visual narrative. The modern brand identity reflects the fusion of coffee, gastronomy, and culture. The design is typography-centric with consistent poster-like layouts. The branding is developed to modern merchandise, social media posts, packaging, and other printed materials. Typography combines lastic regular modern serif with inter-V medium sans serif. The delicate illustrations of coffee, bread, food, and books enhance the brand experience, both online and offline. The result: the branding project embodies a modern, urban Bristol space where coffee, gastronomy, and culture merge in a minimalist, productive setting. Parisian Hotel La Fantaisie introduced its elegant and modern identity. The branding was inspired by the story of Master Gardener's Cadet brothers, who converted the road the hotel is situated on into abundant market gardens. This story is reflected in various elements, such as the logo, keys, coasters, candles, cards, and audio vignettes. The logo's center has a quaint key, symbolizing a garden dream at La Fantaisie. The logo embodies freedom and dynamism unique to the city of Paris. The typeface draws inspiration from old Parisian shopfronts and is paired with a custom-spirited script typeface for the master brand. The color palette features bright pops and whimsical illustrations for signage and wayfinding, maintaining a playful yet refined tone of voice. The result? The rebranding captures a sense of freedom and dynamism specific to Paris. It also combines a laissez-faire attitude with elegant refinement, thereby connecting the family's French values with five-star hospitality in an ownable way. WhatsApp strengthens its brand presence and elevates its image. WhatsApp has introduced a universal design system to better connect the product experience with marketing efforts. The update is based on the principle, Forward Together, which prioritizes secure and accessible communication for WhatsApp's 2 billion users. The design includes graphical modules inspired by visual messaging, offering flexible and dynamic layouts. WhatsApp introduced a wide color palette, with a focus on highlighting its signature green color and compatibility with dark mode settings. The new palette allows the brand to showcase its diversity and reinforces the significance of WhatsApp Green as an emblem of its identity. The result: WhatsApp's brand embodies simplicity, flexibility, and universality, facilitating seamless global communication that transcends age, location, accessibility, bandwidth, and literacy limitations. New identity for Elvis Presley pulls on his typographic history. The new branding is inspired by the eccentricity of Elvis, from his pelvic-centric dancing and costumes to his discography and acting credits. A bespoke wordmark is taking form from the typography used in Elvis' album Comeback Special from 1968. A custom headline typeface is sampling type styles from Elvis's ticket stubs, trading cards, and tour posters. The typeface's applications are referencing the retro-style design. The identity ensures a contemporary digital world while honoring Elvis's historical creativity through iconic imagery and colors from archive photos. The result: the new brand communicates with a resolute, heroic tone that guides the audience through the brand space. The rebranding allows the brand to continually adapt, like Elvis did, without being heavy-handed. Food delivery service Deliveroo reveals its tasteful identity. The core of the new branding is the route. It is a graphic element inspired by the Journey line of riders in the Deliveroo app. Its shape also reminds of the recognizable Roo's head from the old logo. The typography is rhyming with this visual motif. It is angled at 6 degrees, the same angle as the nose of Roo head. The italic typeface portrays the kinetic nature of the service. The teal color palette was kept from the old branding, but it was complemented with the bright food imagery and playful colors in a set of typographic stickers. Each sticker is designed with an ergonomic shape that contrasts the sharp typography and adds personality to communication. The result? A dynamic and playful design communicates the brand's contemporary nature while integrating a human touch. It ensures a competitive edge, distinction, and creative consistency across Deliveroo's local markets, as well as attracting the Gen Z segment.